This is Chris Cotton, lives on Lake Tippecanoe, and we did some interior work for him in a bathroom. And Chris, how was your experience with Matthew's painting and the painters in your home?
It was outstanding. Your painters came exactly when they said they were going to come. They were very clean and neat, efficient. Made sure my wife knew exactly how long they were going to be there and what they were working on, and made friends with our dogs, and we're done in time and got out of the house.
Thanks for sharing that, Chris. And on a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate Matthew's painting?
Oh, a 10, absolutely.
Thank you. And would you hire us back again and refer us to family and friends?
You bet, and I've already referred you to some others. When we build, you'll be our painter. We hate to paint, so having someone who is good at it and conscientious that we trust is an absolute must.
All right, we'd like to hear that. Well, thank you for your business and hiring us.
You're welcome. Thank you.